everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be fishing with a bait caster and a little bluegill swim bait. I'm your host, Lane Daniel Stoltzfus. Yeah, so we are going to go this. We are gonna be fishing in that lake over there. Yeah, I'm gonna be using my bait caster. If we catch anything, we're probably gonna win it with this. I might use some worms and try and catch some bluegill, maybe use some live bait there. But let's go, come on. Okay, you can fish it off. Pond, of course, as we can see here. Okay, let's get to fishing. Got some water in my face. If you want to see the action of this bluegill, come up right here. If you want to see the action of this bluegill, look at right in the water. Or normally it has a good darting action like this. Which honestly, people review this lure and they say it's not that good. And I just got a hit. I'm hit. Caught a fish. Caught one. Look at that, boys. Look at that. Look at that bass. Already won. Boys, just like that. On the swim bait, instantly. Amazing. This massive fish. Hold it up to the camera. You can see I'm just a little kid. This is not my record, I think, but I'm gonna weigh it. So, find me. The bigger ones have spines, and they hurt like crazy. Get out, buddy. Okay. Hold this, or not hold it, but I'm gonna open this quick. My brother, he's behind the camera. Can you open this? Open it. That has the scale in it.
Might have to set this down.
I'll stop. Here's Hudson. He don't have a shirt on right now, but that's the scale. Okay, Hudson, here you go. Look at that. Okay. So let's see how big this thing is. How many? 2.5. It's not my record, but it's close. So big bass. So who likes it? Yeah. So we are going to say goodbye, fishy. They have sharp teeth. They got sharp teeth. No. Well, see you later. See you later, alligator. In a wild crocodile. Big bass. Massive. Okay, let's head back to fishing. Backlash. Wait, oh no. Oh no. As you can see, that swim bait, I would say, me. But here it is. If you want to know what it's called a Bass Dash. It's only about $8. I got it on Amazon, so yeah. But as long as it catches fish, it's good. Now I'm gonna go do some stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we are gonna go outside because right now, if you can see, I hope, it's gorgeous out there. So let's head outside. Here we are are outside. That's my sister over there. Those are my two dogs. That's my dog. There's my dad. He's mowing right now. But I'm gonna go shoot some hoops. So let's go. Okay, we are going to play some basketball here. Okay, let's go do this. Okay. I'm going to try to make 10 shots from right here. I'm going to eat ketchup and Oreos. And I have 20 tries, or no. I'll go down to 50. In like 4 days because I've been gone. So let's go to the kitchen. Like I said, it is Oreo ketchup.
Boo, boo,
I'm gonna eat half of it because, as we all
boo.
know, this is gonna be disgusting. So here we go. I'm afraid if it goes down here, it will come back up. Wow, that was nasty. Honestly, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Still, it's got a tangy mix with chocolate. Not good. So, yeah. We'll see you later. Like and subscribe. Go to my cousin Isaiah's video. We'll see you later.